How to customize and change the calendar style on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Calendar app. After you click on Calendar app, click on this three line icon and click on Settings icon. Now in Calendar settings, if you want to customize and change calendar style, click on Change Calendar Style and you will see. If you want to increase font size, you will increase font size from here. After increase font size, you will see you will change color brightness from here. Change color. After change styles, go back to home screen. So that's how you can customize and change calendar style on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.